Emma. Hi. Hi. Are you gonna crawl? Are you gonna crawl? Say no. I'm tired, Mama. Oh goodness. Hey. You like Mommy snapping. Oh. Did you know Mama loves you? Hi. You want to come here to Mama? You want to come here to Mama? Yeah. Come here. Oh, goodness. Oh, we're so tired. Come here. Come here to Mama. Here. Mommy's got a toy for you. Hi, sweet boy. What you got? Did you eat all your lunch? Did you eat all your lunch? Look at you. Oh, and we belly flopped. Ay, ay, ay. Yum. Hi. Hi. Hey, what sound does a dog make? Good job. Woof, woof. What about a pig? What sound does a pig make? Go. Good job. What sound does a cat make? Yeah, good job. Meow. What sound does a chicken make? Good job. Click, clack. Click, clack. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Good job. What sound does a horse make? Hey, good job, Aiden. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to think of other. What sound does a snake make? Yeah. Can you go shh, shh, shh? That one's a hard one. What sound does a duck make? Yeah, duck, duck, duck. What sound does a duck make? Does he go quack? Good job, Aiden. Say, what sound does a mouse make? Mice go squeak. Squeak, squeak. Yeah. Can you tell everybody hi? Yeah. Say, is it almost time for Emma to go night-night? Good job. Say, Emma likes you, Aiden. Can you wave at Emma? Good job. She loves you. Do you love Emma? Oh, that was sweet of you, Aiden. Thank you for giving Emma her toy. Ooh. Hi. Are you a sweet boy? Yes. Did you enjoy lunch? Was it yummy? Can you go yummy? Are you all done with lunch? All done? None? Are you all done too, Cooper? Okay, let me go get you.